everybody. How do people do this? In today's video, I really wanted to do like party outfits. So these outfits are like outfits you could wear to a club, going out with your family maybe, or just like going to a party around someone's house. The options are there, and obviously they're adaptable as well, so it's like you don't have to stick to those. I was looking on YouTube and I was like, I want to watch one of these videos, and there are none of like party outfits that I would wear. So I was like, I'll make one, and that is this video. So I hope you enjoy. This outfit is featured in previous videos. I love this one so much. It would have been rude not to have included it again. The top is a maxi skirt which I've just folded up. I kind of want to sew it like this so it will stay like that, and I can actually wear it out because how cute is it? This one kind of gives me early 2000s, 90s disco vibes, and that is where I want to be. This outfit is a good one for when you don't really want to worry too much about what you're wearing and just focus on having fun, because sometimes you're wearing a top and you constantly have to adjust it. This one's great because it's like casual, it's comfortable. I always end up wearing shorts under my skirts. That is a top tip for if you're going out and wearing a skirt, always wear shorts, because then you can jump about and you don't have to worry about your skirt flying up or anything like that. These tights, I bought them initially because I wanted a nice casual pair of tights, but it turns out they're a bit more extreme than I thought they were going to be. And of course the joke was made, did you get them cheaper because there are so many holes in them? I know it's really cold at the moment, especially here in the UK. I included this one just because it's much warmer. I've got this jacket on which I found on Vinted or Depop, I can't remember, but I love it so much and it's so surprisingly warm. But this is a good party one for if you're maybe going to be more outside or walking somewhere and you want to just stay a bit warmer. And last but not least, this might just be my favourite outfit I think I have made in a long time. If it was a bit warmer, I would be wearing this to college, but I can't justify that at the moment because it's so cold. I love the way it's kind of dressy with the tie and the shirt, but then it's so casual down with the tights, the jacket. Honestly, when I tell you I'm obsessed with this outfit, it's going in my favourite outfits of 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a like because I literally got up at 5:30 this morning to film this for you, so. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you all, and I will see you in next week's video.